Hey Patrick, how you doing? Richard Helmke here. Hey, I just want to extend heartfelt thanks for the excellent class, the online class that we just did recently. And I just want to let you know that it was very informative. I learned a heck of a lot. And there's so much information and misinformation out there people really need to know. And this class by GeoVital really explains it and gives you the facts, which is so important. So again, I want to thank you very much, and I intend to pursue this down the road here. I want to get more involved with GeoVital, and again, I want to thank you very much. You're a great instructor. You were open to questions. You answered all of my questions, and I learned a lot from the other people asking questions as well. So once again, thank you very much, Patrick, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.